final TikTok of the day, and it's your Jamaican patois of the day. The word in English is fantastic, like good. The word in patois is Irie. Irie man. Irie me say. Everything Irie. Have a Irie Sunday.
Today we are diving into one of the most powerful, most misunderstood Jamaican words in the world, Irie. People say it, tourists love it, the world copies it, but very few actually understand the real meaning behind it. This isn't just a greeting or a slang or a vibe. The word carries history, resilience, spirituality, DNA level Jamaican energy. So sit tight because by the end of this video, you will realize there is a reason Jamaicans can walk through storms, struggles, and pressure and still say everything Irie.
I'm in Jamaica, where are you? I'm in my favorite spot, Sandy Bay, waiting on my fish. Check out this moon tonight, peeps. Trust me, I am so happy right now. I'm so over the moon to be back in the place that I love. Whew. Yeah, life is Irie. Mwah.
Let me tell you something about this coronavirus thing. It don't affect the Rasta man. And I is Irie every day.
Cause me Irie. What is Irie? Irie. What does Irie mean?
What is Irie?
That's a Jamaican saying, isn't it?
What's Irie?
Come on the way. Irie.
Come this way.
Jamaica. So Irie mean you're cool. You're okay. You feel nice. You feel good.
Greeting someone in Jamaica, Irie, is you're wishing them a great, excellent, and quality day. You know, you just greet them as Irie, that means you're seeing them as a great and excellent and a person of quality also. So, in my opinion, Irie, it comes from the Rastafari them, and it is one of the greatest greetings you can get from a Jamaican, in my opinion. But I say all that to say this. I met a security, and when he scanned me in, I greet him, says Irie twice. And I realized from that the virgin didn't say nothing to her in the morning no more greeting. So I wonder if it sound like something offensive to him, you know? I may just sit there and look into the word Irie and what it means, and you know how Rasta use it. I realize it's really it's a great word, you know. It's not nothing bad. So, you know, if the virgin see that video, you know, it's well wishes and nothing offensive. Real thing.
Irie, yes, me feel Irie, because me glad me born at this country. Irie, yes, me feel Irie, because me glad me born at this country. You know what make me feel extra Irie? To know Marcus Mosiah Garvey. Born right here so in this country, and with his teachings and philosophy and his great love for humanity, his name is known internationally. He was the first national hero. He was #1. Him a the man we come from St. Anne. Irie, yes, me feel Irie, because me glad me born at this country. Irie, yes, me feel Irie, because me glad me born at this country. Sir Alexander Bustamante, him formed the Jamaica Labour Party. First Prime Minister the country ever see. Change his name from William Clark and traveled many country. Him did live in the States and come back very wealthy. Knighted by the Queen in 1954.
You see, what people have access to, them destroy. I'm see that a lot of times. And you lose flavor when you mix too much. It's not that I'm unfriendly, you know, or I'm antisocial. I talk to anybody. But that no mean I want to be around toxic people. I want to be around negativity. People who have self-doubt. Automatically you're going to start become like them. You know what I mean? So, yeah man, you have to isolate. You have to isolate for growth.
Most people think Irie is just another island slang, but the truth is much deeper. Irie comes from Rastafari roots, a movement built on peace, unity, and spiritual balance. In Rastafari culture, the idea isn't just feeling good, it means being at peace with life, aligned, blessed, and balanced even when the world around you is chaotic. To say Aire is to declare that your spirit is calm, your mind is settled, and your heart is steady. It's like saying, no matter what is happening, I am grounded. That's where it started. A spiritual grounding, not a slang word. Jamaicans didn't spread Irie through textbooks. They spread it through music, culture, and attitude. When reggae artists began using it in songs, when travelers came to Jamaica and felt the warmth of the people, when dancehalls and Caribbean culture started taking over the world, Irie became a global philosophy. People felt something different in Jamaica. A peace that doesn't come from money, perfect conditions, or luxury. It comes from community, love, survival, and faith. So the world borrowed the word, but only Jamaicans fully understand the spirit behind it. Ask any Jamaican what Aire means, and you will get answers like, me good, everything nice, me there man, no stress, peace. But here is the real secret. Saying Aire is not about pretending life is perfect. Jamaicans say it in the middle of drought, in hurricane season, in hardship, in good times, in bad times, because it is a mindset, not a moment. It's choosing to protect your peace, choosing not to let life break your spirit, choosing gratitude even when things are rough. That's why the world sees Jamaica as naturally joyful, even when life hits hard. Jamaicans carry something rare, an emotional resilience most countries can't explain. Where other people panic, Jamaicans joke. Where other people crumble, Jamaicans dance. Where other people give up, Jamaicans say, me, I go make it. God got me. Aire is a shield. It protects your mind when the world tries to break you. It's why Jamaican culture is so magnetic. People feel it. People want it. People try to copy it. Because it represents a piece that the modern world has lost. The world is not small. It's the heartbeat of Jamaican spirit. So the next time you hear someone say Aire, just know it's deeper than happiness. It's a statement, a philosophy, a lifestyle, a spiritual grounding. It's the reason Jamaica shines so bright in a world so dark. Drop a comment and tell me, what does Aire mean to you? Because every Jamaican has their own definition. And that's what makes it powerful. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay Aire every time.